Carl, thank you very much. Bob Jordan, CEO of Southwest Airlines. On a day where you guys posted a much wider than expected loss for the fourth quarter, $800 million hit from the meltdown. You got a lingering impact in the first quarter of $300 million. Do you realize, do you give us some sense of how much you understand just how mad your customers are about what happened at the last week of the year?
Well, Phil, first, thanks for being here. We're in our Dallas maintenance facility, which is just terrific. But I just got to start with a huge apology to our customers and to our employees. We really messed up that week, and you've got my sincere apologies, and you've got my full commitment. It's on me. You've got my commitment to do what it takes to fix our issues. Our customers are sticking with us. We really inconvenienced them, but if you look at March and beyond, the bookings are strong. Our leisure bookings are strong. Our managed business bookings are coming in strong. So there's a lot of evidence that our loyal customers are sticking with us.
Bob, you say it's on you. I have to be honest with you. A lot of people probably heard that and they say, that sounds like the typical corporate apology. How do I know that the true changes are going to be made? If this happened at my company, somebody is going to lose their job. Something's going to happen. What's been changing to make sure this doesn't happen again?
Well, we already had a very rigorous program in place, one of our top 5 strategies to modernize the operation. So there was a lot underway. My full focus is on taking care of our customers and our employees and doing everything it takes to ensure that this does not happen again. We've got things in the short term that we're doing. We've added a full-scale look at our de-icing procedures. We have additional early alerts to understand what the state of the operation. We've added extra crew scheduling, staffing as an example, and we have a full deep reporting and assessment with Oliver Wyman to really get to the root cause of what happened, and we're committed to fixing those things.
I know Jim's got a question. Jim, just a second. I have one quick follow-up for Bob. You and Gary Kelly, years at this airline, how is it that you were not making the investments, and I know it's not just you two, but the management team, the investments that were needed, that should have been made, that weren't being made? How could that happen?
Well, there's been a lot of discussion about technology and technology investment. We invest a lot in technology, $1 billion a year. We'll actually invest closer to $1.3 billion here in 2023. We have a long track record of doing a great job in technology. We just put in a industry-leading system here for our maintenance and aircraft routing folks to serve them. Last year we put in a brand new human capital management people system. So the idea that we don't invest in technology just isn't correct. We have a long track record of doing that. Now, there are always things to work on, and we have things to work on in the crew scheduling area as an example, and we will do that.
Jim, I know you got a question.
Hello, Jim.
Okay, Bob. Yeah, Bob, good to see you. And, you know, Bob, I actually don't care that you spend a lot on technology. What I care about is, do you spend enough on technology? And to me, when I read Holiday Meltdown exposes Southwest Airlines technology woes, and when I read another one, Southwest antiquated and atypical flight systems, what I say to myself is, man, what a chump I am. I actually believed you guys that you were the best run. You're not spending enough. And I don't know who you're bringing in. I like to know, who are you bringing in? Because you cannot do this yourselves. What big companies in technology are you bringing in to fix this? Because $1 billion doesn't cut it.
Yeah, we partner with all kinds of partners, as you would expect. AWS for cloud services, IBM, Microsoft. But to get specific on crew scheduling, there's been a lot of discussion there. That software performed as designed. What really happened is we just had an absolute cascade of flight cancellations given the breadth and the depth of the storm, and for so many days. That turned into a lot of aircraft routings that had to be solved, and ultimately so many crew routings that had to be solved. It just overwhelmed our technical and our manual and process ability to handle those. That was really the issue, not the software. We've actually got a fix with GE Digital here that fixes that issue, a new enhancement, and it is in test right now. So a very rapid response to that issue in particular.